Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to get the new video notification. और अगर आप हमारे वीडियोस हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे दूसरे चैनल इजी स्विंग ट्यूटोरियल्स पर देख सकते हैं. चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. For today's project, I have taken 2.25 meter rayon fabric and the width of fabric is 54 inch. And this is the measurement I am using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. Today I'll show you how to attach belt with side zipper to the skirt. So firstly, I'll just quickly cut the half circle skirt, and for that I have folded the fabric by half in length. And firstly I'll mark the radius, which will be waist round plus ease divided by 3.14. So in my measurement, waist round is 28 inch and I'll be adding 1 inch of ease. So 28 plus 1 is 29, and to get radius, I'll divide it by 3.14. So 29 divided by 3.14 is around 9.2 inch. I'll take 9 inch round figure. So radius for my measurement is 9 inch. From the top, I'll mark radius 9 inch. Mark the same point till the other end. Now from this point I'll mark length, that is 36 inch, 34.5 actual length and 1.5 inch seam allowance. So I'll mark a point at 36 inch. Now measure the same length from the top. This is 45 inch. Now keep the measuring tape on the top and mark the same point till the other end. Now I'll cut it. Firstly, I'll finish the bottom round of the skirt. Just double fold the seam allowance and make a stitch on the inner edge. So I finished the bottom round. Now I'll stitch the side fitting seam. From the top, just leave the zipper length and then make a stitch. So I made a side stitch and I've left zipper space. Now I'll attach the zipper. To attach zipper, I'm using zipper foot. Just place the zipper on the fabric and make a stitch as close as you can to the teeth. So I've attached the zipper on one side and this is how it will look. Similarly, I'll attach it on the other side. I've cut the belt. Length is slightly more than the skirt waist and width depends on the size of belt. I'll be adding pasting bukram as belt. This is 1.25 inch wide. So we need double of it and around 1 inch for seam allowance. I have placed and ironed the pasting buckram on the belt. I have left around ½ inch for seam allowance. Now fold it like this and make a stitch on this side. Fold the seam allowance towards the belt. Similarly, I'll stitch it on the other side. Now I'll attach belt with the skirt. Keep this pasting buckram side on the outer side of the belt. Now place the belt on the wrong side of the skirt. And make a stitch. I have folded pasting buckram seam allowance. Just keep it like this. Place the skirt waist and make a stitch. I have kept around 1.5 inch of pasting buckram extra to overlap the belt on the sides and to attach hooks. So I made a stitch and this is how it will look. Now turn belt inside out. I have ironed the seam allowance inwards. Now I'll make a top stitch. I have also added hooks on the belt. thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. And I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.